Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys languages setting in our Poco phone. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you set guys your Hindi language in your Poco phone, and guys how can you use guys your language Hindi language setting in your Poco phone guys. In this video guys I will show you friends. So first of all guys, what will you have to do guys, you will have to scroll your phone, means swipe up and guys click on your phone setting. Then guys scroll. Guys click on guys your additional setting guys, and guys you can see your languages and input. So guys tap here, guys click on your languages, and guys you can see guys this type of language. So guys you will have to find guys Hindi language, and guys you want to set guys any other language guys, like this Korean, Nepalian, Australia, like that language, Urdu language, Nepali, Punjabi language you want to set, Gujarati. So example for guys I will take only Hindi language because guys I know how to read Hindi language. So as you can see, after click here, then guys you can see your Hindi language will set, and guys you can see this Hindi language setting guys you can use in your phone guys. You like Hindi, then guys go and like my video, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon. So you can see guys this Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, hotspot, connection or share करना, lock screen, display, धमनी और vibration, switch or control center. So like that guys you can use your Hindi language setting in your Poco phone guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to set Hindi language and guys how to use it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video. Bye.